What is Maya? Maya can be translated as illusion or deception. Maya divides the one divine substance into different parts. When we look at a wooden table, we say it is a wooden table because it has a certain shape. The same with a wooden chair, we say it is a wooden chair because it has a certain shape. But basically it's just wood. The table or the chair is just wood. Wood that has been shaped into a certain shape for a short period of time, but the shape can be changed at any time. You can make something else out of the wood. So you can say the table or the chair depends on the wood. Without wood there would be no table or chair. And since without wood there would be no table or chair, the wood is more real than the table or the chair. The wood is the reality that forms the basis of the table or the chair. It is the same with the universe, with everything we can perceive. What we perceive is, to put it in relation to the example, wood brought into shape. The wood is the primordial substance which is finer than the finest, and the chair or the table are what we can perceive, like planets, plants, stones. So this world is nothing other than the primordial substance, and yet the primordial substance shows itself in all its forms. Both are real, but the primordial substance is more real than the form, since the form depends on it. The primordial substance is the reality that forms the basis for the shape. Chair and table are made of wood. Wood consists of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. If you follow the chain further, you will eventually arrive at the atoms and the quarks. And if you go further, you will finally arrive at the primordial substance. So Maya is that which veils the primordial substance and thus creates a kind of illusion. Because basically everything is the primordial substance. Or to put it another way, on a deeper level, all are one. Through spiritual practice you can get in touch with the primordial substance. Words cannot describe the experience. Just as you cannot explain the taste of sugar to someone who has never tasted sugar. You have to experience it yourself.